kau senang, ku pasti kau lupakan. Saat tak tenang, tebak siapa yang datang. Rindu kau bilang saat kau kesepian. Lain kemarin, lain sekarang. Cerita malammu bersamanya. Ku dengarkan walau tahan air mata. Ku tertawa padahal sakit sebenarnya. Bisa-bisanya kau anggapku bahagia, tak jelaskah ku kecewa. Lebih piawai dari peraih piala, fitraku jaga sampai kapan ku bisa. Katamu tak ada yang sepertinya. Apa kau lupa siapa yang selalu ada? Ku tertawa padahal sakit sebenarnya. Bisa-bisanya kau anggapku bahagia, tak jelaskah ku kecewa. Barangkali hujan lebat susah sinyalmu lagi. Ku buat 10 kemungkinan, tak sampai kah pesan, lelah ketiduran. Atau memang sengaja kau abaikan. Tapi sepertinya ku melihatmu tadi dengan kemeja hitam andalan. Benar atau bukan, atau hanya dalam pikiran, rindu tak kesampaian. Mengapa ku tanjak gas dan melaju pada lampu kuning paperingan depanku. Bahaya di depanku, hati-hati kecewakan aku. Lagu lama yang aku tahu. Kali ini apa lain dari yang kemarin. Tak mau ku dengar peringatan. Benar atau bukan, atau hanya dalam pikiran. Benar yang kata orang. Pada lampu kuning tak peringatkanku. Bahaya di depanku, hati-hati kecewakan menunggu. Ketika aku jatuh bangun dan jatuh dalam engkau menyusuli kehidupanku yang kelam. Dan hampir-hampir ku tak dapat melangkah lagi. Dirimu hadir bagaikan sinar menerangi jalanku. Kau tunjukkan arah mana yang kini harus ku tempuh, agar diriku tak sesat lagi seperti dulu. Bersama kasih, seakan-akan ku terjaga dari mimpi-mimpi, dari kehidupan yang
kosong nomor 5 insya Allah. Berarti syarat saya ini. Cik cik cik. Cik cik cik.
Ku cinta padamu, namun kau milik sahabatku. Dilema hatiku, andai ku bisa berkata sejujurnya. Jangan kau pilih dia, pilihlah aku yang mampu mencintamu lebih dari dia. Ku ingin merebutmu dari sahabatku, namun kau tahu cinta tak bisa kau salahkan.
Cik on nomor betul berbingung. Cik cik aku udah puas nih. Aku udah puas hona. Cik bebek nih.
Hey cantik,
Cik
coba kau catat
asik middle nih.
aku
Cik
pukul 4
Kira
sore. Gak usah kau tanya,
Cik
ceritakan nanti.
One Adung sira
Hey cantik, kemana saja, tak ada berita, sedikit cerita.
Cik
Bacalah
Cik
pesan
Cik
ujung
Cik
malam.
itu bi dulu. Cik satu
Dan Jakarta muram kehilanganmu.
Cik habe masih tu isap dulu.
Terang lampu
Cik
kota tak lagi
anda mau singer ya singer. Cik cik
sudah saat
cik 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 saya lupa.
puing yang tertinggal.
Cik nyok kurang luna.
Kan selalu berlari
Satu cik one oke.
nanti.
Woi, Jok. Bodoh, join squad lo.
Satu iya 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 apa sih? Cik satu cik 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 one cik, cik, satu, iro. Cik, satu, Let's story gimana story? Iro. PT Bedang semua. Cik, cik, cik. Ni ai. Saping ni namirahi. Cik, cik. Cik. Saping ni nama ai na itutupi. Kan itutup ahana ni. Ulu. Cik, cik. Satu, a. Cik, one, satu, Cik, one. Borak gimana borak? Cik, 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 cik. Mau langsung susah ni mana beri channel ni? Channel ni ibudi. Masuk tu lah musik isian non. Boy masuk di situ sih. Channel ais kabel sineki. Tu sih baik. Coba mak.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
Cik, u, a, i. Jadi Nasyam Hasoman cik wan, a, cik, u, a, i. Kalau monitor deh kan? Kalau monitor deh tebak lap ya kan? Monitor deh nama hai kan? Ngado tahai tebak, ngado tebaki, nyon sap, amak kuling sapi. Cik berarti lu na hurang lu. Satu i panai masa tik naik. Cik wan a lu. Story mana teh? Cik wan. Hai nai pak pageleng mak lu nai mak panai. Cik wan. Satu a abu itu cik wan a cik, story. Satu, a, cik wan, aka, oke. Tapi saya rasa kurang lu, bas, kurang. Cik wan, a, oke. Cik. Cik, on baru sebut duri kan, cik, cik, cik wan, a, kurang naik, cik, oke, cik satu masih kurang naik, masih sedikit lagi, cik, oke, aman tapi. Cik, non, dan pa hao de potong. Cik, holan ina met.
I bring it above 0 into this positive section, you can see that I have a boost of about 7.8 dB centered at 327 hertz. That's saying like, hey, take these frequencies and make them this much louder. Or if I pull it below the 0 and I have a negative, 7.4 dB cut, I'm saying, hey, take all these frequencies that are around this area and bring them away or attenuate them, make them softer or quieter. So that's what we can do with this. You can either click and drag and move these around, or we can do it all from this section that's down below. So I'm going to reset the defaults here, and let's go to the next thing, which we see this yellow squiggly line, and this is my voice. These are all the frequencies that are inside of my voice. So now for me, you can see that most of my voice is down here in this lower region, centering around somewhere between 300 and 100 is where most of my voice is at. That's the loudest section of my voice. So if I hold a lower note like ooh, you can see there that it's all the lower stuff. Where if I hold like a higher note, or if I use what's called the sibilance, you can see all of that S sound is somewhere up here in this like 10,000 kilohertz range. So this is the main thing that we're talking about here when we're talking about fundamental frequencies and then like the high end range and all of this type of stuff. This is the graph that we're looking at. If I want to do anything to that, we come down to this lower section here where we see enable, type, frequency, gain, and bandwidth. Enable just simply turns on or off whatever boost or cut you're using here. Type is what type of boost or cut you're using. A low shelf means that if I apply some type of a gain, everything below that frequency is what's kind of being affected up to the frequency and a little beyond. A high shelf just says, hey, everything after that section, go ahead and boost it up. A band is just that. It's just a kind of a, hey, I want to pull these ranges here centered around my target. I want to pull them up or pull them down. And then this is where you can affect the width of that. If you go down to bandwidth here, you can actually make that smaller. So if you want to affect a really narrow range, you can have a much lower bandwidth here. Or if you want to affect like everything, you can make it really wide. The gain is literally just that. Do you want to have a boost to those sections, or do you want to have a cut to those sections? If you want to center around a certain frequency, you can grab your frequency slider and move that up and down. The other notable types here would be low pass, which this only allows low frequencies to pass through this. So if you want to, if you're a bass player and you only want those low bass notes to come through, you might have a high pass that starts at 5,000 kilohertz or something. Or if you only want
cik cik kebanyakan lu nya cik 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 lutuk cik cik satu a cik one kurang padat masih garing cik satu abu apa gak gisi oke jar jauh aku ganti nakin geleng buka masuk belga cik one cik one coba ganti dah buka buka cik cik satu pakai lekur dong ngit nyon cik lima ubah ke pun
Then start to slowly bring your weight back down. Okay, do I hear anything? Hello, hello, hello. I'm gonna check this through. I'm gonna check. So I can hear, I have a lot of issues at about this 450 range. Yeah, I just hear a lot of like weird, like kind of phasing noises. And I don't recommend going through and, you know, surgically finding all of these things and pulling them out. But it gives you an idea of like, do I need to do some more tweaking to this? So for us, I am gonna make a that for me is just kind of the rumble of the area that I'm in and the rumble around this room here. So I might want to just simply cut all of that away. And that's where a high pass would come in, is I can get rid of all those like low frequency things that my voice don't. So affecting a whole bunch of stuff. And let's go ahead and take a look at affecting. I want to do a so you can hear like what I'm settling right or main, moved everything over and now this. So center this at specifically this box range. And I just wanted to show a little demonstration with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the second band, or I can click on the second tab. I'm going to make sure it's on band, and I'm going to center this at 450 hertz, which is right in the middle of the box range. I'm going to make it a fairly lower bandwidth, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a big old gain on this. So now with this gain on it, do you hear how it sounds like I'm in like a weird box type thing? Here's what it sounds like a gain on it. Do you hear what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a big old gain on this. I'm going to make it a fairly lower bandwidth, and now what I'm going to do, a little demonstration with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the second band, or I can click on the second tab. I'm going to make sure it's on band, and I'm going to center this at 450 hertz, which is right in the middle of the box range. I'm going to make it a fairly lower bandwidth, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to